Everybody, this is Eric with Adventure Experience, and I am so jazzed that I get to talk to the MOPS group in Colorado Springs, March 17th. Oh yeah, we are gonna have some fun. We are gonna talk about adventure. We're gonna talk about risk. We're gonna talk about danger. We're gonna talk about those helpless little kittens that you hold so close to you, keeping them warm, keeping them safe. We're gonna talk about the fact that you live in a society that tells you you have to release them. Are you kidding me? A world of broken glass, a world of hand grenades and sharp edges, and we actually want you to put these poor, adorable, tiny things down and let them wander in that world, to explore that world, to adventure in that world. Are you kidding me? Well, we're going to talk about how to release your little children into the wild. That's right. We're doing the Risk Taker's Guide to Releasing Children into the Wild. My name is Eric. I look forward to getting together with you and doing that. In the meantime, I just need to find my way out of where I am now, and and then we'll make that happen.